to Gordon Guitar. This is Craig David featuring Galantis with the song called DNA. So, a great song from Craig David. He has been here before in Gordon Guitar with some old goodies back in the days. This one is a new one. And I will just give you the chord progression for chorus play and verse play. That's what you need for this song. So let's start. No need for any capo on this one. We have 4 chords. So let's start with the F first. That is a bar here on the first fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Yeah, so that chord progression, F, A minor, G, and E minor, that is actually how the song starts. It starts with a chorus play, and that is the chord progression for that. Now, we need to look at the strumming pattern that will work for the entire song. So F here will be the first chord. One round will sound like this. Okay, so that is down, clap, down, down, clap, down. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And so on. So with that, we're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord, and that will be the case through the entire song. So with the chord progression now for the chorus, F, A minor, G, and E minor, it will be like this. So on. That is the chorus play and the pre-chorus play. Now we just have the verse play left. So that will be played in the same way, which means the same strumming and 1 strumming round per chord. Now the chord progression changes a little bit. So it will be F to E minor to A minor to G. Okay, so F, E minor, A minor, G sounds like this. F, E minor, A minor, G. And that's it actually for Craig David's DNA. So there you have all the tools you need to manage to play this song. So good luck with that, guys. Hope you enjoy this and play tuned.